welcome to Fort Henry Hops. We've got our RPS solar pump up and operating. So behind me here we've got the panel. Over in the slough over there we got the pump surrounded by a couple different filter stages just to make sure the water's nice and clean before it gets into the pump. Got our control box here, just kicked it off. We're getting full in the tank, which is awesome. We'll walk over here. Pump and control station is probably about 100 feet away from the hop yard. And then the water tank is probably another 200 feet past that. The pump is killing it. It's crushing it. Gets all the way there. No problem with pressure or anything. Yeah, and then we're here. Got the yard behind us. Hops are growing. And now they're going to be well fed too. So cheers, and we'll see you. Thanks.